Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are back again with a new video, Python program to find sum of series as 1 plus 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 3 plus 1 upon 4 and so on till 1 upon n. So let's start this program. Here in the first line, this defines a function named sum of series that takes single parameter n. This function is responsible for calculating the sum of the series. Now in the next line, this checks if the input n is less than or equal to 0, as the series is only defined for positive integer. If n is invalid, the function returns an error message. N should be a positive integer. Now, in the next line, this initializes a variable total sum to 0. This variable will accumulate the sum of the terms in the series. Now, in the next line, this creates a loop that iterates from 1 to n. Each iteration corresponds to adding a term 1 upon I to the total sum. Now, in the next line, this line adds the value 1 upon I to the total sum. This is the core of the series calculation. For each I, it adds the corresponding reciprocal. Now, in the next line, this returns the total sum after the loop finishes. This allows the program to retrieve the calculated sum for further use or display. Now, in the next line, this prompts the user to input a value for n and converts the input to an integer and stores it in a variable n. This program needs the user to specify the number of terms n in the series. Now, in the next line, checks if the user input n is less than or equal to 0. This ensures that the input n is valid, means a positive integer. Or in the else part, calls the sum of series function with n as an argument and stores the result in result. This prints the sum of the series up to 6 decimal places. This displays the final result in a user-friendly format. Now in the next line, as this catches any value error that occurs when converting the input to an integer. If the user enters an invalid input, for example a string or a floating point number, this ensures the program handles the error gracefully by displaying an appropriate message. That invalid input, please enter a positive integer. So let's check this program. As we have to enter a positive integer, I am entering 6. Hence, the sum of the series for n is equals to 6 is 2.450000. Thanks for watching this video.